So Acharyas, this is what they're saying, and I'm repeating. When Krishna is personally with the gopis, they focus on Krishna's intimate, natural, human-like nature, Nara Lila. Sri Jiva Goswami Pad says there's two types of love, good and bad. No. Aishvarya Prem, which is love mixed with knowledge of Krishna's power and greatness. And Madhurya Prem, which is simply intimate, pure love of Krishna. I don't know who he is or what he is or where he came from or what he does or what he can do or can't do. I just love Krishna. That's it. This is the gopis. But because their love is so intense, then Krishna, from within their hearts, apnayap, automatically, he reveals in their heart all tattva gyan. There are many histories of the Gaudiya Sampradaya, of Vairagi sadhus and Babajis and whatnot, that apparently they're uneducated, and they're very quiet, and they're mon bratis or whatever, and they don't have any. They haven't gone to school. They haven't studied Sanskrit. They haven't done anything, at least in this life that we know. But they're famous that if you speak to them, they start speaking, an ocean of knowledge comes out.